Here we go. This topic is about function notation, okay, or f of x, g of x, h of x, or any letter, okay, function name. So let's start with question number 8. It says here if p of x is equals to 3 multiplied by x squared minus 2 plus 5, what is the value of p of 6? And we're going to solve this problem. Again, the given is p of x is equals to 3 parenthesis x raised to 2 minus 2 close parenthesis plus 5. So now what we need to know is what's the value of p of 6. So we're just going to type here p of 6. Okay. So the answer is 127. Now there's another way to do this. Okay. If you forgot to do that, the other way to do this is you go to the gear, go to the table, and type 6. So the answer is still 127. Okay, good. Now let's look at the question number 9. If f of x is equals to x cubed plus 3, find the value of f of 3. So I'm going to type the function f of x is equals to x to the cube plus 2. That's the graph. Now find f of 3. F of 3. So the answer is 29. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Again, if you forget this, there's another option. Is go back to this equation, click the gear, click the table, type 3. So the answer here is 29. So same as what we did here, what we type here, and the value in the table. Thank you.